if you're like me, you like getting new tools in the mail. And right here, we have the Bora 50-inch parallel clamps, 2 of them. And we have the Grizzly Doweling joiner. It's kind of like a Festool domino, but for dowels. We're going to unbox them right now and see what we got. So I've never actually done an unboxing video, so this will be my first one. Let's check it out. Right off the bat, I could tell these look like some pretty good clamps. We'll have to see. Only time will tell. There's the second one. Now the Grizzly Doweling joiner. I've been anxious for this to come in. I gave 99 bucks for this thing. Plus I had a 5% off coupon. A lot of paper, a lot of paper, a lot of paper. Let's set all this to the side. Let's get rid of this. You actually use that paper for finishing lacquer, so I'll keep that paper. Instruction manual. It's like it's got a couple of spare brushes that come with it, and a tool for whatever that's going to be for. There it is, the Grizzly Doweling joiner. Now I'll do a review on this once I figure out how to use it and figure out what's going on here. I think the 2 bits are 8mm, which is a smaller dowel. They do sell a 10mm and a 12mm, and I will order both of those after I see how I like it. There you go. It's a Grizzly Doweling joiner. It's kind of like a Festool domino, but it drills dowels, and it is a lot cheaper alternative to a Festool domino. This was only 99 bucks from Grizzly. They're running a sale right now, so I'm excited to get to using this. That'll be all for this video. Thank y'all for watching.